Oh, it's cool. Oh. Right, so we're at Pennekamp. This is the visitor center and aquarium. Over there is the beach, so we'll walk over there in a second. But dogs are not permitted in these buildings, so April's staying in a van with them. But I definitely wanted to check out the aquarium. So, no pets. Ooh, curiosity cabinet. Birds, mammals. Manatees and crocodiles. Who am I? Manatee? I think that's a gator. I think that's a crane. And a deer. Oh, heron. Yep, the key deer, which is North America's smallest deer. Oh, crocodile. I guess you could tell by their snouts. And then, of course, the manatee, also known as the sea cow. Seagrass. So 360-degree coral cam. Oh, it's coral. Oh. I don't know if that's a pufferfish. It looks like it. Looks like it is, but I do not know more fishes. So. There's an auditorium. So you can even see more about movies. Go this way. Lionfish. It's beautiful. This is awesome. I'd like to have that right in the middle of my house. Alright, 80 endangered species. Butterfly, wood rat. Oh no. Hanging in the habit. That is crazy. I think that's just a display. I don't think anything in there is real. Yes. Okay. It's a huge aquarium. Ooh, cool stuff. The small 18th century cannon. archaeology. Florida Keys National Marine Sanctuary, shipwreck dives. Ooh. The cannonballs. Wow. That's so cool. Oh, those are sponges. Right in the center of all of this is obviously the big aquarium. Conservation, so great educational stuff. Sea of debris. Really what impacts our ocean. Yes. Keep it clean. Ooh, the parrotfish and urchins.
Lionfish.
Aren't you a pretty little thing? I don't know what that is. If you know what that fish is, definitely drop it in the comments below. Beautiful.
I think that's a sponge.
Beautiful. Shrimp.
Lobsters. Oh, yeah.
Lobster.
Mr. Brinks. Okay.
Wow, land of the lobster. That is huge.
See, it's one of those things that we saw that opened up. What is it?
Wow.
It might be a jellyfish of some sort. That they said that some of them
So we are back at the beginning, but you can easily, especially when it's hot out here, nice AC, easily come in here and spend a little bit of time. A lot of buttons you could push for more educational. The auditorium that has showings, that's another extra hour. So, but definite must if you come to the state park to check out the visitor center and the aquarium. So next to is over there. You can, I think there's a glass bottom tour that is around here too. That's closed today. But you can rent kayaks and canoes over there, have a picnic. And let's see what's back over here. That is the concession, boat tours, and gift shop right next to the visitor center and aquarium. So definitely spend the day out on the water, kayak or canoe, over on the beach, and then when you get good and hot, hit the aquarium for like an hour. But let's kind of go in here real quick and see if they have anything good in here. So I guess at the concession is the Blue Heron Cafe. They serve breakfast, sides, ice cream. Food's made to order, 15 to 25 minute wait time. Seafood, shrimp platter, shrimp po' boy, crab cakes, my fingers, conchs, chicken, and then they have the usual hot dogs, burgers, pizza. But yeah, actually, with all the restaurants around here, those are pretty good prices for the crab cakes and shrimp platters and stuff. So yeah, let's check out the gift shop. Alright, so here's some of the things that they have at the gift shop. Yeah, typical touristy stuff. Clothes, ice cream, beach towels, fins, sunscreen, glasses, snorkeling stuff, necklaces, typical usual. State parks, we always try to buy at least something. Yes, we're paying to camp here, but it's a way to kind of contribute a little bit more to a state park. So see if I can't find anything here. Alright, so got another postcard and a sticker for our collection, which that's something we're working on. I can put all my stickers together. But as soon as you leave that, right over here, go back on the back side, take you to the water. And over there's beach sand, picnic tables. But wow. Very chill and relaxed right now. That side, and then there's the beach in the sand. And now we'll head over to our campsite and check out the rest of the park. Something like that, especially with all the iguanas and crocodiles around. Flip it on.